Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this eye mask look using custom makeup and Dress to Impress. I know we already have like an eye mask here, but it's just too big and it covers the nose too much. I mean, you are able to use it, but I like this better because it's just wider and it looks more like it. And here's everything I used. You can use any eyes and lips and nose, of course, but for the eyebrows, don't make it too close to the eye mask or it's going to look weird. So just use eyebrows like these. Then for the eyeshadow, I used, I colored it all black, so 150, 136, 049, and 017 is everything I used. Then on the eye, make sure on the eye shading, color it black or else it's going to look like patchy like this. So make sure you color the shading black as well. And you can color the eyes any color you want, of course. But yeah, that's pretty much it. It's super simple and I really like the look. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. This is also really good for obviously superhero themes, but yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye!